our next contestant is Jake from BRX.ai. Jake and Gergen.
All right, how's it going, everybody? My name is Jake Anderson. I'm the CEO and founder of BRX. Today, we're going to be doing a quick demo, going through some of the platforms, showing off what we do. So the first question is, what is BRX? So we built an SDLC infrastructure layer focused on streamlining the AI process for engineering. We're with you at every step from ideation when it comes to developing processing, all the way to prototyping. And I'm going to have Gergen show you guys a quick demo while I talk about what's going on. So as quick as we can, we're going in right now and we're going to be building an agentic operation. The coolest thing about BRX when you're operating down is we streamline the actual process of building out one of these operations by letting you set variables that we have a full engine resolve on. What this lets you do is a really complicated piece of engineering can now be worked to a single ID and a single parameter that can actually be passed around in your development cycle. You'll see right now, Gergen is actually just building out this brick. This lets him take a piece of agentic operation and a piece of code and instantly export it into a language of his choice. We're dealing with TypeScript and Python right now. For some of our main operations, we're going to try to get this out as quick as we can so you can see one of these runs. But the coolest part is we let you template down a really complicated process into a really simple format that you can actually use for some of your runtimes. So we support pushing all this out and pushing all around. One of the coolest things, and once this is actually finished running, Gergen's actually console logging one out here. I want to show you something a little deeper that we do with token optimization. So we dive a little deeper. We see around 25% of tokens that people are using in production environments are kind of useless and unuseful. So we dive in deep into optimizing out the actual engineering and some of the prompt engineering that's running on the fly. Internet might be a little slow, so it's running out and running through right now. But you see this just ran, and we ran a completely agentic operation one-to-one out this way. But Gergen, if you flip back down to the token ops, so we also do a bunch of Git commits, styling history, everything else. One of the coolest things is we're actually able to optimize down the token engineering. And something really interesting is we've actually found a different way of interacting with some of these models. That one piece of text on the right, Gergen, if you throw it in too, this is actually optimized out for the C100K. So we have the ability to play a different language almost inside any model. So we ask the question, is English necessarily the best way to talk to models?
Thank you very much.